Alright, in this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to share your Steam games with friends or family. If you find this useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gaming tips. So, Steam actually lets you share your library, including paid games, with others through the Steam Family feature. Here's how to set it up. Open Steam and click on the Steam button in the top left corner. From the drop-down, select Settings. On the left side, go to Family. Here, you'll see the option to either create or join a Steam family. Click Create, give your family a name, and then hit Create again. Now, to invite people, they need to be on your Steam friends list first. Hover over your profile name at the top and select Friends. In the top right, click Add a Friend and send them a request if you haven't already. Once they're added, go back to the Family section in Settings. Click Invite a Member, search your friends list, choose who you want to invite, and set them as an adult member, then click Invite. Your friend will get a notification on their account. They just need to accept the invite, and once they do, they'll have access to your library. When they open their library, they'll see your games listed with the note from a Steam Family library. From there, they can install and play them just like their own games, and that's it. You've successfully shared your Steam games.